3008. Which V-speed represents maximum landing gear extended speed? A. VLE. B. VLO. C. VFE. The correct answer is A. VLE represents the maximum landing gear extended speed. This is the highest speed at which an aircraft is allowed to have its landing gear extended and locked. Operating the landing gear above this speed can result in structural damage or failure. The VLE speed is specific to each aircraft and is determined by the manufacturer. It is crucial for pilots to adhere to this speed limitation to ensure the safe operation of the landing gear system. 3009. VNO is defined as the A. Normal operating range. B. Never exceed speed. C. Maximum structural cruising speed. The correct answer is C. VNO is the abbreviation for velocity, normal operation. It represents the maximum structural cruising speed of an aircraft. Operating the aircraft at or above VNO may exceed the structural limitations and can result in damage or failure of the aircraft. VNO is determined by the manufacturer and specified in the aircraft's limitations or operating handbook. It is important for pilots to adhere to this speed limitation to ensure the safety and integrity of the aircraft. 3010. VSO is defined as the A. Stalling speed or minimum steady flight speed in the landing configuration. B. Stalling speed or minimum steady flight speed in a specified configuration. C. Stalling speed or minimum takeoff safety speed. The correct answer is A. VSO is the abbreviation for velocity, stalling speed in landing configuration. It represents the minimum steady flight speed or stalling speed of an aircraft when it is in the landing configuration, which includes the deployment of landing flaps and other necessary landing configurations. VSO is an important reference for pilots during approach and landing as it indicates the minimum speed required to maintain controlled flight without stalling. 3105. If an altimeter setting is not available before flight, to which altitude should the pilot adjust the altimeter? A. The elevation of the nearest airport corrected to mean sea level. B. The elevation of the departure area. C. Pressure altitude corrected for non-standard temperature. The correct answer is B. If an altimeter setting is not available before flight, the pilot should adjust the altimeter to the elevation of the departure area. This ensures that the altimeter reflects the correct altitude above the departure location. By setting the altimeter to the departure area elevation, the pilot can maintain an accurate reference of altitude during the initial phase of the flight. 3106. Prior to takeoff, the altimeter should be set to which altitude or altimeter setting? A. The current local altimeter setting, if available, or the departure airport elevation. B. The corrected density altitude of the departure airport. C. The corrected pressure altitude for the departure airport. The correct answer is A. Prior to takeoff, the altimeter should be set to the current local altimeter setting if it is available. If the local altimeter setting is not available, the altimeter should be set to the elevation of the departure airport. This ensures that the altimeter is calibrated to the correct pressure and provides an accurate indication of altitude above the departure location.